Also, a number of... Hey everyone, and welcome back to Enigmatic. Back here with another Trading 212 portfolio update. In this video, I just want to talk about things that have happened in the last week. That ranges from the lockdown, the stimulus packages from the UK, US, and others. What effect that's had on the market. Also, just the overall performance of my portfolio, and recently a number of companies have cut their dividends. I'll just go through a number of them anyway. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see here, that the portfolio is now at £3,219.64. The portfolio has increased a little bit since last week. I believe last week I was just over £1,000 in the red, about 5.7%. So yeah, 25.7% ish. I was in the red. Right now I am down £810.41. I'm down 20.11%. So it's going in the right direction. I have probably made about £200 this week. Well, I say I made £200. I made £200 less of a loss, I guess. So yeah, I'm currently down £810. Things that I just want to quickly mention before we get started. If we look at the email from Dividend Max, they have mentioned that a number of companies have cut their dividends. So on the 19th, National Express, Playtech, Portmarion, New River REIT is one that I own, and they've cut their Q4 dividend. So they haven't got rid of it, they've just cut it, I guess. Crest, Nicholson, Next, and Elementris. Some news about them. So on the 20th, Travis Perkins cancelled their dividend. Intercontinental Hotels cancelled their declared dividend. Marks and Spencer's will not pay a final dividend this year. JD Wetherspoons will not pay an interim dividend. SCS declared an unchanged dividend of 5.5p. On the 23rd, Stagecoach, no final dividend. Go Ahead cancels declared dividend. Agreco cancels declared dividend. Card Factory, no final dividend. ITV cancels declared dividend, and so on. 24th, Santander, Mortgage Advice Bureau, Dunham. Redrow is one that I own, has cancelled their declared dividend. Fair enough. I understand. I'm not bothered. For a company to survive, it makes sense that they have to cut their dividend. Obviously, this is uncertain times, and so on. So yeah, Persimmon has cancelled their dividend, is one that I own. And that is it for now. A lot of companies have cancelled. I believe Boeing has also cancelled their dividend. I believe there should be more to come as well. Anyway, so we'll just get started. So Advanced Micro Dev, AMD, is doing all right. It's up 1.3%. That's 48p. That's mainly down to the currency exchange market rather than the stock itself. So my average price is at $48.04, and it's currently at 44. Airbus, doing all right. It's at $59, €59. I currently have 1.3 shares. I'm down £24.27p. That's 25.48%. My average price at the moment is €83.41. I am looking to increase it. I'll probably buy the remainder of the share tomorrow. Alibaba hasn't really fallen that much. I bought them at $212. They're at $190 at the moment. I got 1.31 shares. I'm down £6.32p. so that's doing all right, to be honest. Alliance Pharma is actually down quite a bit. I'm down 26.64%. Again, I probably will increase my position in that, get it to 10, just a nice round number, I guess. Bit OCD, but yeah. Google is actually doing pretty poor. It's down 10%, but potentially I might actually increase my position in this. I'm not sure how much I'm going to buy, but I do want to increase my position over the next week. American Express is at $90. Yeah, not great, but yeah. I did want to increase my position in this. I think I might have missed it, to be honest. So I've got half a share, average price at $107. Oh, and I'm down £4.56. Aviva is actually up. I've got 14 shares in this portfolio. I'm up 2.43%, and that's 0.85p. Oh, sorry, I mean 85p. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. BAE Systems is down 4.88%. I've got 6 shares with an average price of £5.42p. I do expect this one to go up because they did come up with some. I think they won a few contracts recently, so this might be a decent one to buy. I potentially might increase this to by another 4 and just get it to 10, like a nice round number. Barclays, I'm probably going to buy a few more of these, to be honest. It's fairly cheap. I think I did miss the buying opportunity on this one anyway, because last week it did hit a low as like 74p. Yeah, 74. Barrett's, I think, is also a good one. I do want to increase it. How much is 7 shares? About 30 quid. Potentially I might be looking to increase my position in Barrett. Just get it to probably like 20 shares overall. Boeing, I might actually increase my position in this. Obviously I did miss a massive buying opportunity down here when it hit like $99. I did increase my positions, just small amounts. And my average price now is at $266. Potentially I could look at increasing it, lowering the average price further. So we'll just have to see. BP is also not doing too great, but it's not doing too bad at the moment as well. I've got 30 shares. My average price is actually £4.26. So if we look at the last week, it did hit lows of 224, where I should have probably increased my position a little bit more. I'm not too bothered, to be honest. Average price at the moment is £4.26, which I think is all right. I potentially might increase it by a few more just to bring the average price down. British Land, I don't think I'm going to increase any more on this, because I think other stocks take priority. Again, this is quite a low price at the moment, £3.64, so I think it is pretty much like still right now, in terms of the long run, but obviously again, do your homework. BT isn't going too well for me at the moment. Obviously I've got 135 shares. I'm down £51.58. That's 22%. Average price is £1.68. Cisco, potentially look at increasing the position in this. Not really too keen on it. I think I'm just going to hold whatever I have for now and see. Cloudflare is actually smashing it at the moment. I've got 15 shares. Return at the moment is £60.17. I'm up 28.24%. Average price is at $17.84. So yeah, for me, the minimum I'm going to hold Cloudflare is 15 shares. I'll be looking to increase that if it drops in price. Direct Line, I've got 100 shares. I'm down £14.53. That's 5.33%. And my average price is at £2.72. I'll probably be looking to increase this. Again, like I said, I did miss a buying opportunity, but that was basically lack of funds in it. Drax Group is, so I'm down £17.80. That's 39.15%. I've got 18 shares. I did increase, I think 3 shares today. So I bought 3 shares today. What's the minimum on this anyway? 3 shares, yeah. I did increase my position in this today. So I've got 18 shares. I'm down 39.15%. My average price is at £2.52. DS Smith. I did increase my position in this today. I bought 2 additional shares. I got 23 shares in total. I'm down 15.35%. That's £19.72%. My average price is at £3.38, so considerably higher than the current price today. GlaxoSmithKline. I've got 1 share, and I'm down 11.21%. That's £1.85. I'm just going to hold on to that right now. Greencoat has seen quite a good week, to be honest. It's up 22%. However, I've got 5 shares and I'm down 9.21%. That's 64p. So not really much of a loss, but it will do. Hastings Direct. To be honest, this one's quite a funny one, to be honest, because I sold my shares around... When did I sell? I probably sold them somewhere between this period and this period. So I did have 100 shares of Hastings Direct. I sold 80 of them. So I'm down now. Well, I sold 80 of them at a profit. And now I've got the remaining 20. I thought I'd hold on to them just in case if they go any higher. So yeah, I'm down 1.93%. That's 67p. So I sold a lot of them on the 20th of March. HSBC is also had a good week. It's up 3.67%. That's 17-ish p. I've got 24 shares. I'm down £10.32p. That's £7.87p. Average price of £5.46p. So it's getting there. I think I'm going to increase my position by 1 more share. iShares S&P 500. I think I'm going to get that round to 2 shares overall. It has increased quite a bit. So I'm up 15p. That's 0.42%. Physical gold is doing really well. Yeah, that is doing really well. Really, really well. So I got 1 unit. I'm up £4.22p. That's 18.69%. Legal in general, I've got 53 shares. I'm up £3.93p. That's £4.27p. Average price of £1.73. So I potentially would be looking to increase my position in this. Lloyd's Banking Group. I've got 530 shares. I'm down £92.75p. I'm down 32%. New River REIT. I've got 215 shares. I did increase my position a little bit. I think I bought an additional 15 shares. just to try and bring that average price down. So my average price at the moment is now at £1.75. I don't know whether I might increase the position by like another 15 or so, just to push that price down even further. Neo, I do want to buy 2 shares of Neo just to get it to around 10. At the moment I am down at £2.71. That's 12.73%. Neo is kind of one of my speculative stocks, mainly just part of my like risk kind of stocks that I'm willing to take a little bit of a risk on. Obviously the gains won't be massive. If it is good, it's good. If it's crap and I lose all my money, it's not much money. It'd be about 20 quid. So Plymouth Industrial REIT, I do want to increase my position in this because it did drop last week. It did drop to a low as $7.94. I probably will increase my position in this, probably buy like another one. Redrow, again, like I said, they did cancel their dividend. I might buy like another 5 just to get to 10 for now. Royal Bank of Scotland, I'm probably going to buy like another 20 shares. I know they went X. Yeah, they went X recently. I've missed out, but I just want to average my price down because I'm down 31%. That's £47. So if I can cut my average cost down massively, then that will be helpful. Royal Dutch Shell. I did get a dividend from RDSA for 1.3 shares. That was about 42p. But obviously I've switched them to RDSB. I don't know why. I thought it was due to tax reasons, but it appears that there was no tax on RDSA, so I don't really know. So if anyone knows the reason why RDSA, what's the difference between RDSA and RDSB? I thought it was just because RDSA had the Netherlands tax system, whereas the RDSB is the UK tax system. If that's correct, can you guys let me know in the comments? That would be really great. Uber's up, even though it's mainly down to currency. I'm up 0.57%, so I've got 4.2 shares. Average price is $28.32. And Walt Disney is something I want to chat about. So I've got half a share of Walt Disney. If we look at the last week, it did hit a low of $81. It did hit a low of $81, so I'm down £7.13. That's 14.42%. That's it for this video, to be honest. Obviously the markets have had a really good response to the lockdown, the stimulus packages for both the UK and the US, and we've seen markets start to rise, which is positive. However, I'm not sure if we're in a clear right now. I do have some reservations on. I do expect the markets to drop again once the news settles down, depending on how long this coronavirus does last. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, like it. It does help other people see the video too. See you in the next one.